present about Chapter 1 Introduction. In Chapter 1 Introduction, there's two definitions. One, there's definition of accounting, and another one, there is definition of bookkeeping. Definition of accounting: the art of classifying, recording, and summarizing transactions and business events in monetary terms and interpreting the results to interest parties to enable them to make decisions. Classifying adalah ada banyak jenis, banyak kategori lah. Aset, hasil, pembelian barang niaga. Recording adalah business transaction di dalam dan ledger account. Summarizing ni adalah membuat rumusan maklumat perakaunan dalam financial statement. Interpreting adalah menganalisis maklumat perakaunan untuk dapat info yang boleh bantu pengguna maklumat perakaunan. Definition of bookkeeping: the process of classifying, recording, and summarizing business transactions. What is the difference between definition of accounting and definition of bookkeeping? Definition of accounting, there is 4 processes: classifying, recording, summarizing, and interpreting. For bookkeeping, there's only 3. So, interpreting is not included in bookkeeping. And the scope for accounting is much more wider compared to bookkeeping. Bookkeeping tu simpan kira.
Users of accounting, which is owners, manager, government, employers, and bankers. In account terdapat accounting circle. First, sources of document. Book of original entry like journal and cash book. Ledger, trial balance, adjustment like bad debt. Next, adjusted trial balance, financial statement like trading account. Penyata disediakan untuk calculate profit and loss. And finally is financial report.
Types of accounting field. As you guys can see, we have 6 branches of accounting. Financial accounting is about preparation of financial statement for the use of external and internal user. Function of cost accounting to provide information to the management of the company to determine the total cost or service. Auditing involves the examination and verification of company accounts.
Nextly, taxation
Is about tax accounts are responsible for preparing and filling tax forms and determine the amount of tax payable by the company. Management accounting to enable, evaluate the performance of the company and make an improvement to the company. Forensic accounting. It applies accounting, auditing, and investigative skill to detect financial wrongdoing and fraud. Types of business operation. Service business. For example, hotel and medical. Merchandising business. Sell product or goods its customer. Buy goods from supplier. For example, supermarket and toy stores. Manufacturing business. Converts raw materials, labor, and overhead into finished goods.
I want to talk about private limited company. Characteristic feature of a private limited company. Number 1, ownership. The shareholders are the owners of the company and the number of shareholders is at least 2 to 50 people. Number 2, capital. The secretary of private limited company will prepare a share certificate showing the amount of capital contributed by the owner. Number 3, establishment. Established under the Companies Act 1965 and registered with the Register of Companies. The constitution and article of association of the company must be provided. Number 4, liability. Each shareholder bear limited liability. Number 5, management. The control and management of the company is performed by a board of directors elected by the shareholders at the annual general meeting. Number 6, profit and loss distribution. Some profit will be kept as reserve and the rest will be distributed to dividends. Number 7, tax. Company members have to pay 2 forms of tax. First, namely personal income tax, and second, company tax. Here I will share some advantages of a private limited company. Number 1, easy to set up compared to public limited companies. Number 4, longer and guaranteed business life. And I will also share some disadvantages of a private limited company. Number 1, more limited capital resources than public limited companies. Number 4, corporate taxes are high.
Thank you for watching and see you for the next presentation.